Welcome back everyone. This is Moni Singh. I'm back with a new chapter that is windstorms and cyclone. So basically this is related with our nature. So if you talk about the different phenomenon that can be observed in nature, then different kinds of maybe tides, maybe different kind of storms, बहुत तेज हवा कभी चलती है sometimes, like flood, drought, and tornado, cyclone. All these are natural things that can be seen. सो होता क्या है कि व्हेन ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर लाइक जब ज़्यादा डिजास्टर्स नहीं है, नॉर्मल है, तो फिर इट्स नॉट मच डेंजरस. बट इफ़ ऑल दिस काइंड्स ऑफ नेचुरल फिनोमिनन ऑफ इफ़ ऑल दिस आर लाइक डिजास्टर्स डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग लॉट्स ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, लाइफ डैमेजिंग property and life threatening, then such kind of natural phenomenon are called natural disaster. Okay, so before discussing about different kind of storms, winds and cyclone, first of all let us discuss about the different parts of earth that we can see. So air, water and soil. Water part is called hydrosphere, soil part is called lithosphere, and the air part of our earth is called atmosphere. So atmosphere is what? The layer of air that surrounds the earth is our atmosphere. So definitely our surrounding, हमारे surrounding में क्या है? If we are we can see like plants, animals or buildings and all, that is our surrounding. But at the same time the invisible part of our surrounding, जो कि हमें दिखता नहीं है, transparent part, that is that contains air, that is our atmosphere. So atmosphere is basically thick layer of gases that covers our earth. Okay, so atmosphere is basically surrounded by the air. The planet earth is surrounded by a layer of gases, those are air, and it retained by the gravity of earth. Gravity, अर्थ जो है वो अपनी ग्रेविटी एक्सर्ट करती है ऑन द एयर पार्ट ऑफ अर्थ एज वेल. सो जहाँ तक अर्थ की ग्रेविटी एक्सर्ट होती है ऑन सराउंडिंग ऑफ द अर्थ, दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एटमॉस्फेयर. ओके, सो जब एयर है तो दैट एयर, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. जो एयर है दैट एक्सर्ट्स प्रेशर ऑन इट्स सराउंडिंग. जैसे अर्थ अपने सराउंडिंग में ग्रेविटी एक्सर्ट करती है, जस्ट लाइक दैट एयर एक्सर्ट्स प्रेशर ऑन इट्स सराउंडिंग. तो व्हाट इज दैट प्रेशर? सो बेसिकली the pressure exerted by air on its surrounding is called atmospheric pressure, and we can experience different kind of air pressure in our surrounding. जब हम बाइसिकल राइड करते हैं तो इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू राइड द बाइसिकल अगेंस्ट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड, बट इट इज़ ईजी टू राइड अ बाइसिकल इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड. बाय because here air is exerting pressure on us and it is pushing us so that we can easily ride the bicycle. But if air is coming against the direction of our riding, in that case it will not allow us to easily ride the bicycle. So that is due to the air pressure. Now next one, same thing while rowing a boat. Same thing, अगर air के direction में जा रहे हैं तो it is easy, अगर against the direction then it is not easy to row a boat. Now next one is while flying a kite. If air is coming from our back side, तो we can easily fly the kite. But if air is coming from our front side, then we can't easily fly the kite on the sky. So जब काइट को फ्लाई करते हैं तो हमें नॉर्मली देखना होता है व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड दैट इज ब्लोइंग, एंड ब्लोइंग एयर इज कॉल्ड विंड. ओके, नाउ वी कैन इन्फ्लेट द साइकिल ट्यूब बाय पंपिंग एयर. जब साइकिल कभी कभी एयर नहीं होता उसके ट्यूब में, तो वी हैव टू पंप इट एयर, वी हैव टू पंप एयर थ्रू द पंप. ओके, सो पंप के थ्रू क्या करते हैं, एयर जाता है इनसाइड द ट्यूब एंड फाइनली द साइकिल ट्यूब बिकम टाइट इन फ्लैटेंड. सो देयर इज ऑल्सो एयर प्रेशर. नाउ वी कैन एक्सपीरियंस air pressure by an activity. For that activity what we have to do, in a tin can we have to take water, maybe half filled. Okay, then after that put it on a gas stove, boil it, and after boiling cover it with its lid, and quickly after that just pour cold water over that tin can. Then what will happen? uh, Within a minute you can observe the can is crushed, and that crushing shows that there is difference between the air pressure inside the tin and outside the tin can. How? So जैसे ही हमने फर्स्ट स्टेप में बॉईल किया वाटर को, तो क्या हुआ, द वाटर वेपर दैट इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द टीन कंटेनर that will push the air that is found inside the container to move out. बाहर चला गया सारा एयर. अब what is inside the container? जब हम ढक्कन कवर लगा रहे हैं, प्लेट लगा रहे हैं, only water and water vapor. Then as soon as we pour cold water, फिर क्या होगा? Due to the cold water, जो water vapor है that will condense and converted into water droplets, water, and finally there is water only, no air. So inside there is no air and outside lots of air. So air will exert pressure towards the can due to difference between pressure, and it will crush. Okay, so this is how we can do the activity, and we can understand easily how air exerts pressure on its surrounding. Okay, so through all this activity we can understand air pressure, and in my next video we'll discuss much about the high speed wind, pressure exerted by air, high pressure, low pressure, each and everything. Okay, till that you just look at the screen, and if any doubt you can ask the question, write the question on the comment section.